Welcome to Bill Burkhart's Today in Iowa.
Well, hi everybody. How about that? I got the little guy in the tractor to be able to talk, so I thought that was pretty cool. All right, today we're going to look at my nephew's dump trailer. He just bought a low-profile dump trailer. It's made by B&B Trailers right here in eastern Iowa, Behnke Enterprises there. Really a nice trailer. This is 16 feet, really heavy duty, has two 10,000-pound Dexter axles. I believe it's 8 lugs on each wheel. And let's see, 16 foot has the 11-ton scissors hoist, 10 gauge solid steel sides. That rear gate there's 10 gauge, and it swings at the top and bottom, center split, and it's removable. It's zinc primed and powder coat finished. A lot of colors you can choose from. We're going to take a look at this latch when we get out to the landfill today. I'll show you that. I like that design of that latch. And as we walk around here, there's your handle for tailgating, letting the bottom open. Nice heavy-duty rear drop-down jacks. It has two 6-foot slide-in ramps rated at 20,000. There's the built-in tarp cover. And as we walk around here, you're going to see D-rings, tarp tie-downs. And now let's look in the battery box. Pretty similar to what you're used to seeing. The reservoir there, 2 batteries, and so on. Mine has a remote control, and that's available in this trailer. You can also get this trailer in a gooseneck setup. I'm going to just stop here a minute and show you the perforated floor that's in around that battery box. That's nice for chains or anything that you can just throw in there and keep drying out of the mud. It's pretty nice. Got the flexible plug-in cord. There's some ball information and connect in it. And my nephew got
Are we going to take this load to the dump?
Yeah, we'll take it to the dump.
Yeah!
All right. Now out here, this is interesting. We have landfills and we have transfer stations. What do you have in your area? I like the transfer stations because they're like great big Quonset hut. They have concrete floors. So you're not driving through mud and everything else. The end loader there keeps the floor clean. You can see we're backing over some shingles. I did walk behind my nephew and look for nails laying there and kick them out of the way if there's any. But this is sure a nice way to get rid of your trash and disposables. Now as we come around here, I like this latch system. He just pushes it over and that latch grabs that upper arm. There it is. That's pretty nice. I like that design. Oh, there's nothing to be confused by. You just take it to the back and it locks in. All right, so he's got the corded control here. We're going to raise it up, and I'm going to run this, in the interest of your time, 4 times as fast, and I'll go back to the original speed. But the hydraulic pressure going up doesn't take too long. Now we're back to real time. You can see the scissors lift there. We scaled in, so we're going to know how much we have on here. I get to show you the underneath this trailer. It's really well built. I didn't have this in my budget the time I purchased mine. I wish I would have. Take some time and look up this B&B Trailers. They're quite the rig. Look at the welding, the cross bracing. There's the 2 slide-in ramps towards the right behind the tires. Look at the drop-down jacks there. There's a prop stand for safety. I just like everything about this. I was saying before I was interrupted, my nephew got the spare tire option too. And there's plenty of options. You can get a pallet fork holder, wireless remote, a whole lot of stuff with this.
Why is this so damn satisfying to watch?
Boy, isn't that the truth? I just love watching this. Well, he got stuck up. A pallet got in the
Keep
way, so
going.
we give it a push.
Keep going,
I
keep
don't know if you
going.
can see the top of the trailer, not
Keep
just
going.
being a little cautious. We pulled it with a half-ton truck
Keep going.
today. He's since got a 3/4 ton.
Okay, you're
So
done.
when he puts his skidster in this, then he can tow that. So you have power down or gravity down, whatever your choice is. There's look at the welds and the bracing there.
See the tracks on the underside too?
Oh,
That you
yeah.
can pull out for loading up?
Yeah, I already showed him that. Get it. Just relax.
See that?
Okay, so we're gonna come across the scale outbound. I forgot what the inbound was. We wrote it down, but we had 2,100 pounds on this load, so a little over a ton. Not a whole lot for this trailer, but bulk-wise, it was quite a bit. So it's a very nice trailer. If you're looking for a dump trailer, take a serious look at it. I think you'll appreciate it, and the quality it's built by. All right, I've got a guest here to take us out for this video. I'll talk with you all next time. Take it away, Aaron.
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron, and I'm watching Bill Burkhart from Eastern Virginia. So long everyone, Merry Christmas.